up, guys? This is XBT786, and I just wanted to quickly give you guys a look into a stock that I've been following for some time now, and the ticker is called REMX. This is VanEck Rare Earth and Strategic Metals ETF, and the reason why I'm bringing it up is because this is at a very uh, good spot if one was looking for a long term kind of bag to hold. As you guys know, nuclear went parabolic, a lot of other stuff, quantum went parabolic, obviously, crypto's going parabolic. But the stuff that really powers AI and is core to its function is going to be stuff like this. So just give you a little background on this. This thing came out around 2011. Highs are probably like around 350 to 400 bucks. We're currently trading at $50. This thing was let's see, what was the lows? Lows were like right around 30 bucks a couple weeks ago, and right now we're trading at 50 bucks. So the reason why this looks really interesting to me is because, for one, we're kind of this is basically the bottom. Next, just want to take like a really kind of higher time frame look as opposed to the monthly. Let's go to a 3 month. Let's. Okay, it's not letting me do it. There we go. All right, guys. So check this out. Here's the 3 month. I mean, typically I don't really look at charts that are down, but the reason why I'm looking at this one is because this very core commodity and metals is very relevant to today's geopolitical kind of atmosphere between the US and China, or the West and the East. Rare earth metals, commodities, they're pretty essential to the whole AI industry that's ever growing, right? So, if one was looking at it from a strategic type of investment, you would look at this. You would look at like Chevron, Exxon, the energy that powers it, because you're going to need that, right? And when you're looking at it from the charts perspective, I mean, we are quite literally at the bottom. And here's another one. If you want to just take a look, for the guys that know about the MACD, look at this. I mean, look at the volume. You got great buy volume coming in, and you got the MACD crossing above the zero. Now, the last time it did this was back in 2022, and that was to the downside. So we've been bearish ever since 2022. We just got to change with behavior. The last time we had a bullish cross like this was July 2020, and we were somewhere around 30 bucks, and we ultimately made it up to like 125. So do what you guys want with this information. It's not just some kind of meme. This is pretty relevant to today's time in history, and the ticker is REMX. Now, let me see if there's anything. So we trade using the it's called the Sigma Profits trading system. The link is in the bio. It's only $1 a day. You're welcome to try it out. It's pretty much $29.99 a month. Um, check it out, see how you like it, but it's very useful for being able to kind of know where you're at on the spectrum of things when it comes to trading. Like, anything around this orange line right here is just a super phenomenal discount. We can go from here to the weekly. Super phenomenal discount, 68 and 31. Anybody who bought this point right here and this point right here, you're pretty much at break even right here. Not to mention all the runs that you had in between that. So, phenomenal area to buy. You kind of got to know like where you're buying things. Are you buying them expensive? Are you buying them cheap? It's a very good tool to have, and I highly recommend it. Here's the monthly. Yeah, whoever bought this, 33 bucks, went it up 94. It's a couple 100% right there. But I'm ultimately interested in this one right here. This is the 50 percentile. As long as we're above this, we have a clear area to manage risk, and anything below closing below this. Obviously, I don't see it going down because it's not even going to be mathematically possible. So this is a very strong support, and I'm ultimately looking for a target of, 330s, 350s, prior all-time highs. This is very relevant to today's time and history and what's going on. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. It's called REMX. I'm gonna definitely be following this. I'll be making videos about this. But once again, this just looks like a very, very early opportunity to get into it. Anyways, guys, this is XBT786. If you guys like the stuff, just shoot me a subscribe, like the video, and yeah, till next time.